From Waterford to Troy, Steve's Waterworks is the crew homeowners trust when plumbing goes sideways. We do emergency service and same-day service with clear options and clean work. Water heater acting up, or a burst or leaking water heater? We fix it fast, and we install new units when it's time. Slow drains, backups, or sewer line trouble? We clear lines and use hydrojetting when grease and roots won't quit. If you're dealing with a flooded basement, toilet overflow, or sump pump failure, we show up ready. And as your insurance specialist, we work directly with homeowners insurance to help secure coverage. And we even help with the deductible cost. Call for info.